Yelp is huge. We're all conditioned to look for gold stars. Consumers use the Yelp search engine almost 200 million times a month, looking for businesses that they can trust. And when they find one, they engage quickly. But if you're like most dentists, you've been left with a bad taste in your mouth because of the complexity of how Yelp works. Do you ever wonder why Yelp tends to filter positive reviews and feature negative ones? And why do Yelp's sales tactics imply that it's a pay-to-play program that unfairly rewards their advertisers over everyone else? We don't work for Yelp, but we know how to make Yelp work for you. We've spent countless hours playing in the Yelp sandbox, learning the rules and how to play by them. We can help you play there too, without spending a fortune as a Yelp advertiser. So, if you're not getting enough traction from Yelp, if new patients aren't telling you they found you on Yelp, we can help you with this gigantic opportunity. You see, almost no one knows how to do this well. Oh, sure, you may find someone who can set up your page, post pictures, and tell your story. But can they do it in a way that Yelp features your business at the top of a search? That's what we're really good at. We've driven dozens of businesses to the top of Yelp searches countless times, and we hear how much of a positive difference it's made in the numbers of new patients coming through the front door. It's easy to see when we took over and how much of a difference it made to our clients. Look at these results. Up 188%. Up 518%. Up 158%. Up 180%. Up 118%. These results are not unusual. They're typical for us. One client catapulted 800% and called to ask us to stop our work because he couldn't handle all of the business he was getting from Yelp. How can you make Yelp work for you? In your practice, you first examine your patient before you make a diagnosis. Allow us to examine your Yelp page. Once we do a thorough analysis of your page, we'll tell you what you're doing right, and more importantly, we'll identify what you're doing wrong. Then, we'll gladly fix your page. Or if you're a do-it-yourselfer, we will guide your efforts to success. To get started, click the red button. You won't get a hard sell. What you will get is encouragement that Yelp can actually work for you rather than against you. Click the button for a free, no-obligation 15-minute visit with one of our experts. You'll be so glad you did.